Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I was just back here today talking to our electrician, and I learned something pretty interesting about what's thought out and what's done and organized with our wiring. Notice on this crossbar here how that wiring is purposely put in the center of that crossbar. There's a reason, he told me. When the floor is put on or when the underbelly is put on, those wires are going to be protected. They're not going to be able to reach any kind of puncturing or severing from them applying the floor or the underbelly. So attention to detail. I was impressed by what the electrician had told me and wanted to pass that on to you. This is what we do here at Luxe Luxury Fifth Wheels. So give us a call. Let us know what you think. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.